Hey guys, Caleb with Kleen Start, your one source for everything clean. Do you want to get into the pressure washing business without having to spend a fortune in startup costs? For a price tag of under $6,000, we walked away with everything we would need to start making money instantly. Introducing the Easy Clean gas-powered pressure washer, the ultimate cleaning solution for all your heavy-duty needs. With a maximum pressure of 4,000 psi and a maximum flow rate of 3.5 gallons per minute, this power-packed machine will blast away dirt and grime with ease. Equipped with a 14 horsepower Kohler engine and a commercial-duty triplex plunger pump, this pressure washer is built to last and deliver exceptional performance every time. The 10-gallon poly fuel tank ensures long hours of uninterrupted cleaning power, while the sturdy welded frame and the 13-inch pneumatic wheels make it easy to maneuver on any surface. Not just a powerful, but also efficient and serviceable, the Easy Clean pressure washer features a 12-volt oil-fired burner with adjustable thermostat for precise temperature control. The heating coil is made of Schedule 80 pipe and sealed with a ceramic blanket for maximum efficiency and durability. When you need a reliable and dependable pressure washer for your toughest cleaning jobs, choose the Easy Clean gas-powered pressure washer. Made in North America and designed to exceed expectations, this machine will help you tackle any cleaning task with confidence. Purchase yours today and start making money with it.